How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Trace here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Pretzels from scratch. Not one way, but two ways. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. So let me show you how to make Keto Pretzels two ways. One way is definitely more intricate than the other, but as you can see, they come out fine either way. And don't forget to check the description of this video. You'll see the recipe along with the directions on how I made this incredible keto snack. All right, so let me show you how to make these right now. All right, what you're gonna need is 1 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of arrowroot starch, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a dash of salt. We're going to combine these into a large mixing bowl. And also add 1 tablespoon of coconut flour to make the mixture more pliable. And mix until combined. Alright, now we're going to place this mixture onto parchment paper. And take another sheet of parchment paper and put it on top. Let's roll out the dough. All right, so then with the wet knife, we're going to trace out some pretzels. All right, we're gonna pop these into the oven, preheating at 350 degrees. All right, 5 minutes later and it's done. Take a look at these pretzels. This is a different way I'm gonna make the pretzel. All right, these look good too, so we're gonna pop these in the oven approximately 5 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, we're gonna flip the pretzels. Put some parchment paper on top. And put it back into the oven for approximately 5 minutes. Wow, these pretzels look great. Look at these pretzels. Now for a taste test. I'm gonna try the thinner ones first. These are the ones I made slicing by hand. This is really good. Tastes just like a pretzel. Without the carbs, without the sugar. These are awesome. Now for the ones I made hand rolled. These are really good. They got that big pretzel feel. I could get used to eating these. I could definitely get used to eating these instead of the regular pretzels. I am so happy with the way those turned out. If I had to choose between the two, I might go with the ones that I hand rolled. They kind of have that soft pretzel texture, and it has the crunchy exterior. Either one is good, but I might go for the hand-rolled ones. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.